Are you going on the
I
train?
like it.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Connor.
Oh, that's Connor's.
You gonna go on the train?
Bye-bye, Connor. Hot?
Hot in there.
Yeah, on his head.
It is hot in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Go in the door, Connor. Go in the door. Yeah. Oh, look what's
Crash.
inside. Oh
You
no.
say Crash.
No, okay. Look what's inside, Connor. It looks like a frog's in there. Frog! Said, get that frog on there.
Connor.
Here, Connor. Go ahead.
Go in, Connor.
Go ahead, Connor. That's hot. Hot. Got in. Use the door.
Wow.
2 doors. Oh. Ow! Did he bite you? Did he bite you?
That's my phone, sorry.